mean, if there's one thing that I love about Bali so far, it's the fact that they eat roast potatoes for breakfast. I've not had a good roastie for about 4 or 5 months now, and I'm having them every single day for breakfast. It is like, I don't know why we don't do it in the UK. Roast potatoes for breakfast is the future, man. Where are we going today? So, first stop of the day was at the traditional Balinese house, which is in Bali. Apparently what happens is they pass the houses down from generation to generation, and the oldest son, or all of the sons actually, get ownership of the house, and they end up just expanding and expanding, and it's a really nice actually setup.
Yeah, it's quite cute.
Yeah, it's the whole culture here is just incredible. Like they're not very possessive of the property, so if you want to go in and have a look around, like people don't mind if you actually just walk into their house, and because it's all outdoors, a big courtyard, and then you've got different houses for different parts. So you've got like a room for the boys and a room for the girls, and then a room for an open air bit the parents sleep in, and then if the boys or the girls have their own kids, they then build other houses inside this courtyard bits for them to sleep in as well, which is really interesting.
Yeah, they've got like a little temple.
Yeah, where they do their own worship and everything like that as well.
Lovely little kitchen space. Yeah, it's nice.
Then after that we headed a bit further out of it. It was about 10 minutes away, and we went to see a traditional Balinese dance, which is it's basically a description of the permanent or the constant fight between good and evil. And yeah, that was really interesting. That's why I love the culture here, because it's Hinduism is the main thing here. It's all about mythology and how being one with nature, and about how everything's balanced out, and like you need to give worship to the gods, to your ancestors, and to the ground itself. And yeah, it's quite a beautiful culture. However, they believe everything's linked together, and you know, the main point of it was, I believe, that mankind is constantly, they were trying to kill themselves in the end to try and rid their bodies of the evil. And then the Barong, I think it's called, which is it's like a mythological creature of good, comes along and blesses them so they don't need to kill themselves. And I think that's why they give offerings to nature and stuff like that, so that they can rid themselves of the evil and give back to the gods in that way. It's really interesting. Last up we came to a coffee plantation, which is where we tasted the cat poo, the poo coffee. Basically the mongoose eats the beans and then poos it out, and they clean it and do it. We tried a bunch of other different coffees from like different teas and coffees as well, and it was delicious. Tea with a view as well, which was awesome. So you take the coating off it, or?
Bigger butter?
Is that,
eat it?
You eat all of it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can eat that all.
Sure, it tastes like it's really food.
You like it? It tastes like the smell of coffee.
Yum.
Very dry.
This still do the traditional one. The roasting like this.
Yeah, it's just
on the clay.
Did you pick up the poo one?
Yeah.
You're supposed to pick up the ones that look like that.
And then they ground it with a hand. All that. That is want to try the cappuccino?
Yeah.
You want to try?
No, it's amazing.
Yeah.
How about you, Sri? How about you?
I'll have a taste. I don't want a whole cup though.
No, well, can we get one? We all share?
Yeah, let me do that. Will it be share
What is it?
You want to share or you want to have
It's just
like this? Yeah.
Yeah, if we just get one, we can have a sip.
Yeah, I just want to sip. Man, this is
Yeah.
really yum.
All of it.
One.
That just tastes like
All or-
warm diluting juice. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Oh, I don't like that one.
Oh, that's spicy. Yeah, that one has a wee burn in it.
Be gone.
Is it good?
What's ginseng?
Ginseng is it is from Korea.
It tastes like really strong,
Ginseng is
Coffee.
with the
Yeah, it
roots.
does. That's all it
but it's
tastes
got
like.
less
It's the root is so
caffeine in it. And it costs 3 times as much.
Yeah.
extra energy.
Yeah.
Put coffee.
Because it's got energy.
Yeah, it must be about midday now, and we're all starving. So next stop is we're getting a buffet lunch. So let's go and get stuck into that. So we're just up admiring a quick viewpoint before we go and get lunch. We've got Batua in the background, just behind me here. We've got Lake Batua, the biggest lake in Bali. And then way over in the distance there, you can see Mount Agun. I didn't actually realise Mount Agun was that much bigger than Mount Batur. I can see why no one hikes up that one. It's a live volcano as well, Mount Agun. We saw it smoking the other day when we were heading to the Gili Islands. So we stopped off, got some lunch with a view of Batur and Lake Batur. And there's just something about it, like this far up the mountain, it's just a lot more peaceful than actually down below. There's not that much traffic. The houses are all very simple and you've got an amazing view. It's really, really nice, I like it up here. So we made it back through the rain, back to our hotel. Bit disappointed we didn't get to see the race terrace properly, but there's always another day, there's always tomorrow, we'll go and check that out. And this is unfortunately where our top deck tour ends. We're waving goodbye to this luxury. We're getting packed up just now. And what the future holds, we have absolutely no idea. We've got another 2 months in Bali. And if you guys want to find out what adventures we've got lined up, you're just going to need to stick around because even we have no idea.
Exciting times
But
ahead.
it's going to be awesome.
for you.